Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Aamer Zeshan, Subject Specialist English in DPS Sahiwal. You are very warm welcome on our YouTube channel. Let's start today's lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, today our concerning topic is material nouns, and the learning objectives of today's lesson are: by the end of the lesson, students will be able to understand the concept of material nouns, to differentiate between concrete and material nouns. Let's start today's lesson. Students, do you know what is material noun? Take some seconds and think about it. Now, I am going to tell you the definition of material nouns. These are the substances from which different things are made. For example, sand, gold, milk, iron, cotton, etc. Material nouns from nature. Guess what is here in the picture? Obviously, it is water. So, water is a substance. From water, we can make different things. So, water is a material noun that we get from nature. Next picture is of rock. Obviously, it is also a material noun. It belongs to nature. Next picture. Yes, you are seeing it is gold. And gold is also a material noun that we get or extract from nature. Material nouns from animals. What is this? Obviously, it is a picture of eggs or an egg. Egg is a material noun that we get from animals. Next picture is of honey. Honey is also a material noun. We can make different other products or things from honey. Yes. Now you are seeing wool. Wool is also a material noun. Now, material nouns from plants. In American English, the pronunciation of plant is plant. Here is a picture of cotton. And after cotton, there is a picture of rubber. Next picture is showing that there are lots of pieces of wood. So cotton, rubber, and wood. These are also material nouns. These are also the material substances that we get from plants. Students, there is an activity for you. You will identify material nouns in following sentences. First sentence is: cotton dresses are very cheap and comfortable. Next sentence: calcium is a good mineral for health. Next sentence: my father has a shop for diamonds. Next sentence: my mom purchased a gold ring for me. And last sentence is: Here, plastic is made up of many molecules of ethylene. Students, you will identify material nouns in following sentences. Take a minute, think about it, and highlight the material nouns in following sentences. Now, I'm going to tell you the correct answers. Cotton dresses are very cheap and comfortable. In this sentence, cotton is a material noun. Calcium is a good mineral for health. In this sentence, calcium is a material noun. My father has a shop for diamonds. In this sentence, diamonds is a material noun. For is not. So diamonds only, the word diamonds only is a material noun. My mom purchased a gold ring for me. In this sentence, gold is a material noun. Next sentence, plastic is made up of many molecules. So in this sentence, plastic is a material noun. Students, do you know what is the difference between concrete and abstract nouns? You have already read the concept of concrete noun. So here is a difference. I'm going to revise the definition of concrete noun in a different way. Concrete nouns are the nouns which can be felt through our five senses, such as sight, smell, touch, hearing, and taste. For example, flowers, tables, songs, sweet, etc. Material nouns are the nouns which are uncountable. For example, silver, gold, sand, wood, water, etc. Students, now there is activity number 2 for you. In this activity, you will also identify the material nouns in this sentence. First sentence, people should be more careful and stop using plastic. Second sentence, the legs of the table are made of iron. Third sentence, the cotton dress is very pretty. Fourth sentence, tabletop is made of wood. Fourth sentence, most of the industries use fiber. Take a minute and highlight the material nouns in the following sentences. Now, I'm going to tell you the correct answers. In American English, the pronunciation of answer is answer. So identify the material nouns in these sentences. People should be more careful and stop using plastic. Obviously, plastic is a material noun. The legs of the table are made of iron. In this sentence, iron is material noun. The cotton dress is very pretty. Cotton is material noun. Tabletop is made of wood. In this sentence, wood is a material noun. Most of the industries use fiber. In this sentence, fiber is a material noun. Students, now you have home assignment. You have already read the concepts of proper nouns, common nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, concrete nouns, and today's topic is about material nouns. I'm revising the definitions of proper, common, abstract, concrete, and countable, uncountable nouns. Proper nouns, obviously, you know, names of particular persons, places, animals, or things. For example, Kohat, Jupiter, Ahmad. Common nouns, as you know, the name of any person, place, animal, or thing in general. For example, lady, school, cat, fan. Uncountable nouns can be counted and uncountable nouns cannot be counted, and countable nouns can be counted. Countable nouns examples are coin, coins, notebooks, notes, and uncountable nouns examples are oil, plastic, milk, honesty. Concrete nouns, as you know, are those that can be touched, and abstract nouns cannot be felt by the five senses. And today's topic was about material nouns. It is your lesson number 16. First, you will draw margin lines on both sides of page, write day and date, write the title of the home assignment, and maintain notebooks in thus regularly on regular basis. It will be checked. Homework is here. Write down the name of any 15 material nouns that are found in your surroundings. Have a good day. Thank you.